Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com. Excuse the no makeup face, but we just got another curriculum package in the mail. This one is from Beautiful Feet Books, and I'm so excited. We are going to open it up and see what we got. All right, hang on. Here's the package.
I can see.
What do we have? Love it. What you got, Ava? See, books. Anna's China. Let me see, y'all. One at a time, please. They're throwing them at me. They're so exciting. Crow boys. Hang on. We've got lots of books. So we ordered the Around the World with Picture Books Part 1. This is for my younger children, my two youngest children. Beautiful Feet Books was generous enough to send this to us so we can review it. And I will have a more detailed flip through later on. But we have lots of great books that are going to go with our world geography studies this coming year. I don't know.
Look at the inside of this book, guys.
It's cool, isn't it? This whole book is maps. That's what it's called. So I think they've already found a favorite. It's really neat.
We're in Paris. Wait, where's Paris? Where's Paris supposed to be?
Here's Paris right here.
This is where me and Oliver are going in our game.
What's
that? A lobster!
Yeah.
Hey Oliver, look, there's London, where we live in this game, London. And we're going to Paris, so it's going to be a little bit of a ride. Where's Alabama supposed to be?
Not in here. This is Europe. Alabama is in America.
That's not America.
No, that's Iceland.
Mama, what's that?
It's a volcano.
America.
So they're already pretty interested in this book. It's really neat.
Where's America?
I don't know.
Mom, what's that? Where diggers live? Not America. Nope. Definitely not America. Nope. Wait, is this America? Let me see the flag. Nope. Definitely not. Where is America, Mama? Wait! Think down America. No, it's not, Bubs. So we're having problems finding America. Oh, what's that? Oh, I know.
Switzerland.
Lots of dogs. No. What's that? What's that? Mama, what's that?
I don't know.
It's a castle.
Okay, so I'm excited. We will show you guys more detailed flip through of this book and all the other books and how this program works at a later time.
Stop.
Can you guys say goodbye?
Bye.
I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.